This is a solar system model project kit I was sent a review from Inconi. So let me show you a closer look. First of all, let's check out this foam board it comes with. It comes folded and you just unfold it and boom. It's about 12 by 31 inches. It's gorgeous. We've got the sun there. We've got the rings kind of showing the distance and which planets are gonna go where. We've got asteroids or whatever. So gorgeous. It's quite thick, but it's so lightweight because it's foam. And then it folds for easy storage. We've got this little paint palette here. Plastic. That's gonna be nice to just have on hand for future projects too. We've got a little set of 12 colors of paint and 2 paint brushes, one for larger painting and one for more details. We've got 2 bags of stones, black and white, a roll of clear tape, a pack of glue dots, some fairy lights, no batteries included, and the half circle styrofoam balls, which will become your planets. There are different sizes in here, so just make sure that you do your research about which size for which planet. There's one that's huge, and then the rest are fairly small, but this one is much smaller than this one, for example. So there are a variety of sizes. There are 10 planets in all. So basically, you're gonna paint those, you're gonna stick them on with the glue dots, attach these by glue or glue dot, and these will become your asteroid belts and just random meteors and whatever roaming through the solar system. And you can decorate it with lights if you want. This is such a fun set. Whether your child has a science fair project or a solar system project at school, or they just like science and arts and crafts and want to do this on a rainy day on the weekend. So fun. Such a great set. I love it. And I know you will too.